This is the Adria Altea 612 DL TYNE. It's a 4-berth, 2021. Shipping length's 8.25 meters. The Miro's 1430 kg and the MTPLM is 1650. It's on sale at Caravan Place at 16995 as well. So as we go in, you've got a very nice spacious front. It's very open plan, looks very modern as well with the blue sofas. Big spacious drawers. It's good for storage as well. Obviously you've got your table here. With the hobs you have 3, but they're covered by this glass panel. You've got the plug socket here, media controller there as well. TV socket there, a USB socket, and then another plug socket as well. You've actually got the Truma heating system on this one, so obviously your air vents are there and there as well. You've got the oven and grill, sink, and then with these drawers, you've got a microwave in that one. Obviously they have the hatch on there as well to stop it flapping around when you're driving. There's that one as well with the plate holders there. You've got a really nice big fridge freezer. So that's open there. Really spacious, that one is. And so you've got your 2 single beds here. It's actually a really nice walkway from the front straight to the bedroom, but you've obviously got the door shutter here as well. You've obviously got these as well. A storage above. So all either side as well. So obviously 2 windows, curtains either side. And then at the end, you've got your rear washroom. So you've got your toilet, sink, obviously looks very modern with the glass bowl. And then you've got your shower as well. It's actually a really nice and quite a big shower as well. So yeah, that's the Adria.